Welcome to today's experiment. Today's extra special because you are doing 2 experiments today. I'll start off with the first one, the garden glove. So during all this craziness, we know that food has definitely been in a shortage. Well, it's very important that we understand how to possibly grow our own food. And so today, we are going to experiment how to start seeds in a glove, then that you can transplant and maybe grow your own food. In your material box, you're going to find 1 plastic glove. You need 5 cotton balls, and you will find some seeds. The first thing that you are going to do is you are going to wet these cotton balls. You can take them to the sink, whatever works for you. You're just going to wet them. The first thing you want to do is separate them out. So the first thing you want to do is squeeze the excess water out. We do not want to drown the seeds. Then go ahead and separate out your 5 cotton balls. Once again, they should not be dripping any water when you pick them up. Next, what you're going to do is you're going to take your glove and you're going to place a cotton ball at the bottom of each of the fingers. Kind of want to maybe squeeze it down to get it down there. Essentially what these cotton balls are going to do is provide moisture for the little seeds to germinate. Germinate means to grow. Once again, you want to get them in all 5 fingers. Sometimes not all seeds are going to germinate, and that's okay. But we want the best chance possible, so that's why we're planting 5. After your cotton balls are in place, you are going to take the seeds and you're just going to very gently place them on the cotton ball. They don't have to be stuck in there or anything. This is essentially what you want it to look like. You're going to continue that process for all 5 fingers. Then what you want to do is you want to place this somewhere in your house. Maybe in a window, maybe on your counter, maybe even outside. Wherever you think you want to start growing your plants, place your glove there and start watching your plants grow. This concludes the first experiment. Now we are going to move on to our second experiment. Our second experiment is a little more intense. We are going to be extracting DNA from a strawberry. This process is really fun and exciting because DNA is something that's very hard to see, but we are able to see portions of it from a strawberry. So the first thing you're going to do is get out the material from your boxes. You're going to need your soap, your salt, your rubbing alcohol, your cup, your cheesecloth, and your Ziploc with a strawberry. We did not provide you with water, so you will need to get at least 2 teaspoons of water. The first thing you're going to do is you are going to make sure the green part is removed from your strawberry. You can cut it off, you can peel it off, whatever you want to do. For the cases of today, I'm just going to peel it off. The next thing you want to do, and probably my most favorite part, is you're going to smush the strawberry. If you have little siblings or you want to relieve some anger, this is the best part because you literally just smush the strawberry. It's going to feel kind of funny, but just keep smushing. Once your strawberry has been smushed to however much you desire to smush it, you want to make sure and kind of pull it all to the bottom right here. The next thing you're going to do is you are going to create a solution that actually extracts the DNA. And so just go ahead and open your bag, make sure that it doesn't spill. You're going to take your soap, You are given a 1/4 teaspoon of soap, so go ahead and put the soap in there. Then you are going to add just a pinch of salt, just a little bit, and about 2 teaspoons of water. Make sure it is sealed nice and tight. Then you are going to make sure this solution mixes in with your strawberry. Just kind of smush it around. Make sure it gets everything in there. Once it looks like everything has been kind of mixed together, you might need some help for this part, so if someone's at your house and they're willing to help you, definitely grab them right now. You're going to take your piece of cheesecloth over your cup, and you're essentially draining out as much liquid as possible, and you are trying to avoid big clumps getting in there. Once again, like I said, this is where you might want some help. If you're pretty independent, then I believe in you. But essentially, you're just going to begin straining the strawberry over your cup. So after you have strained the strawberry, once again, you want to make sure that you have some juice there on the bottom. Just go ahead and gently remove the cheesecloth. Be careful not to get any big parts in the cup. You're just going to dispose of this in the trash can. Next thing you're going to do is the rubbing alcohol that you were given. You are going to pour that into the cup just until it kind of covers it. Just kind of swirl it around. If you have an extra popsicle stick, you just kind of want to stir it around a little bit. And you should be seeing this kind of white structure form. You can look at it like this. You can look at it on top. The white kind of goopy stuff, that is your DNA. So you have now successfully extracted DNA from a strawberry. We would love to see pictures of your DNA, so send them over to the Remind. Thank you for tuning in today and looking forward to seeing you the rest of this week.